Hey everybody, so we have a quick unboxing to do from Amazon. It's a decent sized box, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for stopping by. So we have another box to open. Actually, it doesn't look like the tape was holding at all. No, it wasn't. This side of the tape wasn't holding. Alright. Seems like quite a large box for what's in here. And there's like no packaging in here. I don't understand that. These are all Olsa tool items. Move the box out the way. Alright, so here is 5 blank rails. These longer than... Oh, these are long. Nope, they're the same length. Okay, so I ordered from Olsa Tools. I don't think Olsa Tools has any more than any other colors of these rails. These are... They're supposed to be red. They kind of look pink to me, which don't matter. Yep. So this is Ostrich Tony 01 Alpha Lima Sierra Roger Alpha Ingrid Lima Roger David. So these are Olsa Tools. 01 would be the part. It just comes with one. ALSR stands for the is the normal part number, especially for these guys. They're all Alpha Lima Sierra Roger part numbers. This is a blank rail, and it's RD is for red. Picked up 5 of these. There's one. Got another sticker. All of these are going to be the same. These are so I can customize my own rails, and also they didn't have any 3/4 rails left. They do sell these style rails in 3/4, but they didn't have any left, so I just bought some blank rails, and I bought some 3/4 clips. And the one thing I do like about Olsa Tools is every single rail I have bought, I have verified that all the clips are on them. Olsa Tools is very good at packaging their rails with the clips and the appropriate mount. None are missing, which is nice. Another sticker. And I did make another order and got some other items, and I grabbed, on that order, I grabbed one more of these blank rails, so I have 6 of them. Another sticker. The stickers usually don't come in the clip packs, which is fine. I will count these, but I got 2 packs of 24 for the 3/4, which these are part number X-Ray 0020, Jewel Lima Edward Paul Zebra, or Zulu. Olsa Tools Black Spring 24 pack 3/4. The same thing right here, 24 pack 3/4, and I got 2 1/2 inch, and on a previous video I showed the 2 24 packs of the 1/4" and the 3/8, and I will show you guys real quick. I actually put them in this container. So there's 24 times 2 of the 1/4", and there's 24 times 2 for the 3/8, and then 24 times 2 for the 1/2, and 24 times 2 for the 3/4. So that's what I picked up. And then here are the rest of the stickers, and these are all the stickers that I will be giving away if you guys guessed properly on some of the videos. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm not going to take the clips out of the packaging right this minute, but this is what I picked up. I will take these out, and I will probably update this video and state, you know, if each bag came with 24, everything like that, and we'll go from there. I do appreciate you guys watching, hanging out with me today. It is nice that Olsa Tools sells these in blank rails if you purchased a bunch of clips. And what I'll do is later down the road, I will buy the 3/4 rails with the 3/4 clips in whatever color I want. And then I'll just switch these over to, you know 3/8 or 1/2 inch or whatever I'm doing. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. It is nice that they offer them at the moment in the at least red, which these are all consistent in color. They look more of a fuchsia or a pink to me, which, you know, it doesn't matter. They're going to be, most of it's not going to be seen anyways because they're going to be holding sockets. Sometimes I get red ones that are dark. Sometimes I get red ones that are light, like these right here. These have more of a purple hue to them. Red is actually kind of hard to, well, they're about the same. Red's kind of hard to get like perfectly correct, especially on aluminum. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And down below in the description, at the very top of the description, I have a link for Olsa Tools with my initials on it. If you guys click on that link, it will take you to Olsa Tools and it will give you 10% off your order. It also kicks me 10% off on my next order as well. If you guys want to go check that out. Hope it helps you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe as always. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!